And live mga ka-asset. Live ni, live. Nay, live. Walay live.
Grounding violation. Saloma. Foul jersey number 11. First personal foul. First key foul. Kawagatsu. Out of bounds. 0.8 seconds shot clock. Shot clock violation. Foul jersey number 16. First personal foul. First key foul. Out of bounds. Buckley. Saloma. Foul jersey number 11. Second personal foul. Second key foul. Kawagatsu. Substitution. Substitution. Traveling violation. Out of bounds. Lawrence. Foul jersey number 16. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Raptors. Final, Barangay Galas. This time is brought to you by City Councilor Marjorie Rivero Seth. Ibula.
Siyot sa Maida.
Foul jersey number 13. First personal foul. Third key foul. Barangay Awagatsu.
Galing, galing, galing. Be, tanaw na to, be.
For 2 points for jersey number 14, Silua. Foul jersey number 20, first personal foul. Substitution. Sabula. Substitution. Sequence play. Traveling violation. Siloma. Five. Siloma. And our first quarter. This quarter is brought to you by Ismail and Morning Boy by Lakeford Practice. Second foul. Foul jersey number 6. First personal foul. First team foul. Barangay Batas. Shot clock 14. 14 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Foul jersey number 20, second personal foul, second team foul, Barangay Batas. Jersey number 15, Opiti foul. Out of bounds.
And once again, mga ka-Asenso, we're live. This is our first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup Game 3 karong gabi una. It's between Barangay Tawagan Sur and Barangay Gatas. Oh, mga fans si Sabdullah diha. Na, live na ta. We are live second quarter na. No, second quarter, 17 to 22. Tawagan Sur is on the lead. with 6 minutes and 51 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Another violation.
Marcaban for that baseline jump. And Galupo nailing that layup for Barangay Tawagan Sur. Nabitawan pa ang bola ni Lase. Abarquez against heavy defenders. Now to Marcaban, open for three. Can't get it to go. Number 5. Pilino number 5. Malinaw. Malinaw na malinaw. Number 5, malinaw, no? Basket and a foul.
Ball jersey number 19, Gallego. First personal ball, second team ball. Barangay Tawagan Sur.
Naka-live pa ta? Aw. Agawan ang bola, jump ball. Possession arrow. Ball will go to Barangay Gatas. What a shot by Tibudan. Nawala lagi ang live. Nawala ang live. Nawala ang live, nawala.
Lawrence.
26-30. Basas, turn around, ball stripped from his hands, stolen by number 10 and stolen by number 11 of Barangay Gatas. Tibudan the lob para kay Basas, and Basas scores from under the basket. Number 10 for 3. Short. Agawa ng rebound.
Ball jersey number 17. First personal ball, second team ball. Barangay Tawagan Sur. Substitution. second
50 seconds left in the second quarter. And baseline score is good for Barangay Tawagan Sur.
Traveling by substitution. Time remaining 33 seconds of the second quarter. Out of bounds. Eighteen seconds to play. And our second quarter. This quarter is brought to you by Vice Mayor Antonio Boy Balilig Fernandez.
Lagi live.
Foul jersey number 22, Guasas. First personal foul, first team foul. Barangay Gatas. Foul jersey number 16, Ibuda. Third personal foul, second team foul. Barangay Gatas.
Yun, no? Balik live. Silongan sa gitna. Uy, third quarter na.
Foul jersey number 22, Basas. Second personal foul, third team foul.
One-point lead for Barangay Gatas. Nabuang nagmailok ni Ron ang Tawagan Sur. Rebounded by number 10, long pass para kay number 11 ng Barangay Gatas. Now to Barquez. Attacking off the glass, no good. Bago with the rebound. Bago sa gitna, short. Hasim gets the rebound. Now to Abarquez. Barquez to Tibudan. Good ball handling skills against Abdullah. Tibudan. What a play by Tibudan! Iwanzis Abdullah. Sidestep for Tibudan against two taller defenders. Kanina pa to nagpapainit si Tibudan.
Shot number Sabdullah.
And Sabdullah, binawi naman agad. Tibudan ulit. Against Sabdullah, pinapasikatan si Sabdullah. Ayun, lagpas ang pasa. Pass break pass para kay Tibudan. Sabdullah missing that three-pointer. Rebounded by Bago. Nice feed inside para kay Democrito. To number 16. Traveling violation. Uy, kataas baglayat.
Substitution.
Hasim. Sabdullah, bounce pass para kay Silongan. Umatake sa alalim and is fouled already.
All jersey number 20. Third personal foul. For Kiva. Substitution.
39-34. Lamang ang Barangay Gatas. Sabdullah unable to make that shot. Sabdullah for 3. Sabdullah, the king of ankle breakers in this league. Signature move na ito niya na itong ankle breaker de ay.
Barangay Gatas.
And a timeout called by Barangay Gatas. And long pass para kay Sabdullah, easy layup. Tibudan ulit. Oh, another crossover. Hesitation.
If it's Steven, shut down.
Mukhang ganado si Tibudan for tonight.
All jersey number 11.
Pasimpleng hinahamon si Sabdullah. Labanan ng crossover.
Third personal foul.
Silongan is fouled. Live. Number 5 for 3. Can't get it to go for that corner 3. Gets his own rebound. Turnaround jumper. Ayaw pa rin. Number 9 with the rebound. Passing ito sa Blura. Ayun. So Silongan.
Silongan. All jersey number 8.
Ha?
Jersey number 1.
Ay, sorry.
Second T-Ball. Barangay Tawagan Sur.
Uy, shout out no sa atong mga live viewers. Live via Ascenso Sports Channel. Shout out kay Nordel Dadoli, the king of the 360. Uy, dunggan akong tingog. Sorry good Nordel, ikaw no. Insa daog sa Lumbia og Tiguma, daog ang barangay Tiguma. Yun. Chillax Nordel kay Juan. Kuan pa ang gwapo, charot lang, gwapo.
Substitution. Traveling violation.
Nagadaot daw ang net daw, sama daw sa heart ni Saysay. O kinsay mga Nordel, single ba ni Saysay? Uy, shutdown direct. Banjo. Shout out to my friend na si Subuko. No, Subuko. Ay. Dili man ko jugo earn sama nimo. So tama ra ko sa Subuko. Di ba? May magparehas kung jugo earn sama nimo. Mangilad po kag mangingilad Chester. Oy, pastilan. Sir, good evening. Absent ko. Uy, ano mo na may mag-sir good? Kinsa man ni. Kuibas. Okay. Wala sa Dula mo ba? Shout out from Barangay White Beach from Nikolai Tiking. Abi ninyo, ay mo pangilad o mangingilad kay kabalo ko daan sa inyo ang mga comment. Alam ko yung mga comment na ganyan. Chester. Huwag mo akong ilarin kasi mangingilad din ako. Why live sa Lumbia ganina og Tiguma boss? Wala jud. Actually no first quarter ata dapit pero naputol grabe kay wag yung internet yun agi sa kakusog sa ulan ba. Wag yun may choice. Ultimo data gani sa cellphone dili mo cooperate. Asa naman to single diha say. Single daduli. Go Brian by Hadigya Silongan. Shout out ko ni Kares by Alden Indi. Shout out Diridol from Barangay Tawagan Mapagmahal Ebram Akob. Shout out po ni Marvin Bulado nga nagtagay samtang gatano sa yaya. Uy, tagay naman. Sherlock Lora. Uy, pareha mo ngalan sa kong anak ko, Sherlock. Shot goes Tawagan, Marvin Bulado. Yeah. Uy, lamang na ang Barangay Tawagan ang 4 points. Sa Abdullah, nice pass. Para nga number 19. Put back is good by number 5. Same mo ngalan sa kong anak, Sherlock. Uy, may kinimon. Hello, mayong gabi ni mo diha. Say, hi daw, nga naduli, say. I think kaila kanin ni Daduli katong kuan, maayo kay modula sa unsa kini nga barangay sa Daduli, oy. Maayo kini siya modula, say. Ato ning mo 360. Shout out ko sa ako teammates diya sa Tawagan Sur, Christian Cuevas ha. Pidulunan ni si Kuan Daduli. Oh, Barangay Pidulunan. Katuning mo 360. Behind the barbent backward 360. Oh, long hair. Sa Abdullah, easy layup. Tay wa man ta kita sa ankle breaker ni sa Abdullah karon. Turnaround jumper by number 11 of Barangay Gatas, Flores. Time winding down with 45 seconds left in the third quarter. Sabdullah, bakante for 3. And no good. Rebounded by number 6. Pass break pass para kay Flores. Flores all the way, lays it up for good. Ngayong gabi, may kinimon. Shout out mi diri sa balay ni Parod Rod nga nagtan-aw diri. Sendong Marelo ug ni Mama G by Rogel Rosel. Shout out ko ni Muhammad Tito from Bukana by Arif Bantilan. Pero na-replay ato sa YouTube dol. Yes, i-upload to siya sa YouTube tong dula. Pabot-pabot lang mo kay hinay kaayong internet in town dere. So, maningkamot lang may nga ma-upload to siya ha, as soon as possible. Maningkamot lang may di lang may musaan nga diya dayon. Ha! Shout out direct sa PLDT. Pila po o shout out diya sa production no, sa live control. Gikan kang Jason Dr. Vapes, kang Sai, the manager, kang Claudivan Baniket, the director, and Jabs, our DJ. Mayong gabi tanan ninyong diha. Jojet Andrada, hello. What's up, yo? What's up, mad? Ay na lang. Dula na ba may ugma palantawa si Saysay. Dula mo ugma, sige, good luck. Laban, Tawagan Sur by MJ Salugta. Shout out po ko dire ni Alan Daman nga sige kasaban. Og ni Ulysses the Great. Maayong gabi, Jojet Andrada. Ha? A big shout out no to all our live viewers. Grabe bisag gabi na kayo then last game na. Daghan maghapon ta og viewers. Salamat kayo ha. A very big thank you to all the live viewers out there. Thank you very much. Padag-up po ninyo ng gatas palihog lang. Tabla na ang dula, Miss Christine Joy Vivas. We're tied at 51. Barangay Gatas putting up a good fight here. Tied at 51. Ayan na, Tibudan. No look pass, intercepted. Pa-shoutout ko sa akong anak, Brian Silongan by Hadigya Silongan.
Foul jersey number 22, Basas, third personal foul for Sliva.
Shout out po ko kay Tanto from Buribud by Hanzo. Shout out sa tanan nag-shout out Jojet Andrada. Shout out kong Jojet Andrada, padala ning panihapon ron. Okay kayo. Shout out ko sa akong kuya Suaib Alden Inding. Number 20 with a nice rebound. Fourth quarter now, 1 point lead lang para sa Barangay Tawagan Sur. Flores to Abarquez. Shout out kang Doy ang ako ang anak. Shout out to my son Doy Ibina and Dodong Ibina, and to my wife Leia Franny Ibina. Man na ito sila, ambot asa sila. Shout out kang Doy Ibina. Tiburon, what a nice evasion there for that block. Shout out kan Doy Doy Ibina. Pagsulat na in taon Doy. Score 53-52. Barangay Gatas leading by 1 point. Shout out Lodi watching from Barangay Santo Niño, California. Uyawa, oy. Marlo Consolacion. Marlo Alin Consolacion. Oh, Laban Gatas, Nicole Samantha. Shout out sa taga-tawagan Dula na mo ugma. Baso ang dulaan. Marvin Bolero. Apila pod ko. Mukha mo ra ha. Wa pa gyud taon ko na ni hapon, Ma'am George. Actually na ni hapon ako pero ano ba kanang kulangan ba? Kulang ra hapon kay ulan-ulan manggod lami kay ikaon ug kuan. Uy, Neil James Uba. Shout out. Lami kay kaon uy basta ulan-ulan.
Foul jersey number 6, Alarcon. Third personal foul. Second team ball.
Uy, kalami na ipato. Muna akong ganahan, pato. Pato team or sa ba adobo, no? Shout out Valentin nga pinakagwapo sa Tawagan Sur. Shout out kay Nanay Marilu Rora. Uy, Baroro, Ariel Baroro, what's up? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Oh, to rata eh. Kuan ni sila. Gatrabaho man gud ni. O Ars Bantilan. Shout out sa imo. Ariel Baroro po. Gimingaw na si Alan ni Ariel Baroro. Tibudan long 3. Bang! Tibudan with a long 3-pointer. Wow, Tibudan making a great performance tonight for Barangay Gatas. Ikaw ingon diya, bahala ka diya. Flores, isa pang 3 para sa Barangay Gatas as they lead by 5 points with 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Hala mo, Tawagan Sur. Silongan, what a play. Di ninyo ni Tarongon, mailok yun mo. Tibudan Tubasas. Nabakante and is fouled by Demokrito. Nganong karon raman lagi, kuya? Abidam. Why, hinay kang internet. Uy, wala yun ang internet yun. Pati data, di yun mo cooperate. Nga, kusog mo ni makaon og internet ng live good. Kusog pa jog kayong ulan, pastilan. Mga pasensya jog kayo ha. Gilang sa sunod ning kamot lagi may nga mukusog ang internet. Shout out lang ta sa atong mga internet service provider diha. Shout out ko ni Junior nga gipangita sa iyang mama. Oh, Sherlock ni. Laban Tawagan Jennifer Andrada. Tayo hubog na saad mao na. Lainas akong tingog ko'y karat-karat man. Murag magtingog pang gwapo. Husky ba? Siberian Husky. Malinaw nailing that layup from under the basket, cutting the lead to 1. Abarquez. One-hander, no good. Tawagan Sur will have a chance to take the lead. Sabdullah, nice feed. Hangs in the air for number 5. Can't get it to go. Rebounded now by Barangay Gatas. Now to Flores. To Tibudan. Pumwesto sa malayo. Nice binalik kay Flores. And yes, sir, off the glass for Flores. Gatas now leading by 3 points. Shout out ko diha, Dal. Dal day ko. Kay Eismer Dandoy. Agi ka na. Uyo po na na. Uyo, bidam. Si Jayo Gayo kay. Tayo, yung internet yun. Matay pati ang data. Di man mo cooperate. Grabe naman. Ito ako'y load. I mean, ako'y pang data ba? Ako'y data cellphone. Wamay. Kaya lang yun, kumpiyansa yun. Kaya pag mailok, impatso. Sana all mahubog. And Silongan hangs in the air. Ayok, abala ka sir, tawagan gihapon ang mudaog. Sige. Flores. Ball stolen by Sabdula. And the ball will remain in Barangay Tawagan Sur as the ball hits the feet of number 22 of Barangay. Balik sa gatas para ang bola. Now to Tibudan. What a nice pass para kay Lerias. Sabdula. Bago for 3. No good. Tapikan ang bola sa itaas. Malinaw with the rebound. Now to Bago against Lerias. Fakes. Passing it to Malinaw. Ball stripped and stolen. Gets his own deal. 2 seconds left. Malinaw. Basket counts as the shot clock expires for Malinaw. Shout out ko sa mga gwapo nga officiating. Good luck sa mga game mga boss. Rene Camenya. Uy, namlis Camenya diri. Mapagbigay manggod na ang taga-tawagan. Maupod no. Kay tinud-on na wa yun. Tinoon, wala manggod pod gadula si. Actually, burag duha ka marka ba nang wala gadula karon. Basket and a foul for Bago. Shout out kay Kasim from Koki, Arif Bantilan.
Foul jersey number 20, Kasim, for personal
Shout
foul.
out to Doy Doy Ibina.
Shot clock 10.
Silongan all the way. Flores to Tibudan against. Tibudan long 3 again. Can't get it to go.
Foul jersey number 15, second personal foul. Substitution.
And a big shout out to Doy Doy Ibina, my son, nga naglantaw karon live. Thank you for watching, Doy Doy Ibina. Pagsulat na ka ha, magsulat na sa school. Magsulat na ka sa school, Doy Doy. Ingon imong sir, magsulat na daw ka.
Foul jersey
Na.
number 5, Manawi, first personal foul.
Tibudan, 5-point lead for Barangay Tawagan Sur. To Flores. To number 5. And yes, sir.
Shot clock 10. 5. Jersey number 11, Typical Hall.
Kinsa man ang kalbo sa gatas. Ambot lang karon pa ko kitaan ni bod. Kinsa man eh? Ah, Mamawi. Okay. Si Mamawi ni number 5 sa gatas katong kalbo nga naman Christine Joy Vivas. Kini pananaw na ko ni criminology ning estudyante ba kay kapaupaw man eh. Basta cream, upaw. Basta upaw, cream. And a timeout is called by Barangay Gatas. Shout out to... this timeout is brought to us by Crossover Designs PH. Kung gusto ka mo magpa-design ng mga jersey, uniforms, t-shirt, polo shirt, jacket, warmers, logo, para sa inyo mga business, team logo, and other logos, bisitahan lang ninyo ang Crossover Designs PH sa ilahang Facebook page. Na ako naman nila ipadalion. Lan, dali daw lan. Muli na talan. Shout out Aden Pangasian. si Plata. Si Plata. Basen criminology mo is Plata. Oy, shout out South Korea ulan kayo. Ayaw ng crime. Ang crime is krimen. Crime na siya. Crime, C-R-I-M. Crime. Mo na, criminology. Ang crime gani, krimen. Grabe po. Luya po. 3-point lead for Barangay Tawagan Source, 63-66. Oh, bisitahan niyo ang Facebook page, ha? Crossover Designs. Actually, ako ang Crossover Designs, mga ka-asenso, no? It's mine. Shout out po na ako akong Crossover Designs. Uy.
Jersey number 15, Sabula for personal foul.
Shout out ako ang Crossover Designs. Para masaya ba? Luya Plata. Basta cream upaw, basta upaw cream. Susato ba si Plata? Cream po din. Ano to? Luya Plata, oy. Napay isa karperyo. Turan, hagip sa camera. Silongan is fouled by Mamawi.
All jersey number 5, Mamawi, second personal foul. Penalty.
Bang! Tibudan leads the game for his three-pointer on the corner. 1-point lead for Barangay Gatas. Wow, spectacular performance para kay Tibudan. Kaya kanina pa rin siyang first quarter yun. Mura naka-zone si Tibudan. And Silongan takes the lead for that layup. Tawagan Sur now is under pressure. Tibudan steps back. Hesitation. Corner pass para kay Flores. Umatake. No foul call. Rebounded by Basas. Wow! The putback is good! At biglang napatawag ng timeout ang Barangay Tawagan Sur.
Tawagan Sur.
Woo! What a nice performance here by Barangay Gatas. Ayan, kumpiyansa ang Tawagan. Uy, shout out di ay. Alzaina Esparagera. Shout out ko sa tanan ako family diha sa Dao Esparagera family.
Both teams, no timeout left.
No timeout left for both teams and both teams are in penalty situation. Gatas leading by 1 point. Wow! Si, og magtinarong lang yun ng Gatas ug dula na magini sila chance. 69 ang score, 69-70. Kumpiyansa kayo. Imo idol, kung hindi si kinsa man ako idol. Si Sabdullah. Lagi. Yan sa kayo.
Shot clock 14.
Silongan. Time winding down. 20 seconds. Silongan. Block. And there's a foul called against number 22 of Barangay Gatas with 17 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Silongan unable to make his first throw. Kulba-kulbaan Silongan. Second throw. And it ties the game at 70.
Time remaining 17
17
seconds.
seconds left. Hasim. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Barangay Tawagan Sur.
13.6 seconds left.
Silongan attacking. Silongan fakes. Ball stolen by Mamawi. Mamawi now. Nabitawan pa ang bola. Tutibudan for the win. No good. Basket not counted and will go to overtime. Wow. What an intense ball game tonight, mga ka-Asenso. Unexpected. Spectacular. Brilliant performance for Barangay Gatas. Basket will not count. We're heading to overtime.
No basket.
Yon, basket will not count. Hoy, ngayon, 71 man yung Tawagan Sur. 70-70 ang score, tabla sa 70. Wala, naglagra among scoreboard. Tabla. Chillax lang mo mga viewers. Ayun. Kini, murag maninood na kining Tawagan. Kumpiyansa kayo. Sus, kung na-shot to ni Tibudan, impatso. Nagyo di katulog unya. Yeah. Tabla ang score. Sige na lang, good. Wala, not counted. Ang bola naapagyod sa kamot. Naapagyod sa kamot. Wala. So again, no, basket not counted. Naapa sa kamot ni number 22 ni Hasim ba to? Hasim? Masa ni Basas? Naapa sa iyang kamot, surot na ang oras. Aya pa na-release. So, basket will not count. We're heading to overtime. Pero may blood ang supporter. Relax lang kay mulag manggod. Huwag ni pasensya yung kayo. Bang! Tibudan! Isa pang 3 para kay Tibudan. Actually, not counted. Not counted yun to siya. Napa sa kamot. 0 na ang time. Silungan is fouled for that play.
Ball jersey number 11. Second personal foul.
Shout out Lovers Basketball Team by Den. Gupon ako paminawon sa kong tingo bro. Mura magbagong mata. Bedroom Boys. Oh yeah. A big shout out to our 102,000 live viewers. Thank you very much for watching First Mayor Samico Ascenso Barangay Cup. Flores, and we're tied at 43. Flores for 3. Bang! Flores nailing another 3-pointer for Barangay Gatas. Big shot here for Tibudan and Flores. Bago. Tumira na 3. Bang! Bago ties the game at 7-6 from downtown. What a close fight here. Tibudan, nalab para kay Basas sa ilalim. Basket and a foul for Basas. Wow, what a play here. Basas will go to the line and will try to complete a 3-point play.
Ball jersey number 5. First personal foul.
Grabe. Kasyagit tagwa sa oras anis kanindot sa dula. 113 live viewers despite being late, no? Thank you kayo. Basas unable to and rebounded by Flores.
Shot clock 10.
Lerias now to Tibudan. 3 minutes left. 3 seconds left. Flores, kinapos sa oras. Shot clock violation for Barangay Gatas. And a timeout here is called by Barangay Tawagan Sur.
Tawagan Sur.
Siyempre. Gatas up by 2. Thank you very much to our 122,000 live viewers via Ascenso Sports Channel. Ladies and gentlemen, this is First Mayor Samico Ascenso Barangay Cup, brought to us by the City Government of Pagadian, headed by our very own Mayor, Mayor Samico, together with our league convener, Honorable Lance Co. Uy, shout out JRP. Shout out na siya sa, hama ka JRP. Og ni Dula ka dire, wa na. Pildi na mo. 132 live viewers. Bago. Traveling violation committed by Bago. JRP, asa naman ka ano, naman kay Dula-Dula. Basas now to Hasim. Hasim heavily guarded by Sabdullah. Now to Tibudan. Tibudan. Nice defense by Democrito. But there's a foul called against Democrito as he tries to push. Use his body to push. Tibudan. Shout out Ivan Mark Gigera. Og shout out po kang Rai. Yeah. Shout out sa Abdullah, traffic night duty from Al Israel. Both teams are in penalty situation.
Both penalty.
Barangay Gatas still have 1 timeout left. Tawagan Sur, no timeout. Aba, 3 puntos ang lamang ng Barangay Gatas. And leading by 4 points for Barangay Gatas. At biglang pumasok si Marcaban. Ball goes to Barangay Gatas na naman. Out of bounds. Nga nung karoon pa ning sulod. Ayan, Aragon, mabihag man ka ni. Ilok yun ni padulong ba? Shout out to Dingdong Dantes ng Tikwas. Ayan, Aragon. Tibudan. Crosses over against Abdullah. Ay! Careless pass by Tibudan. Naabot mo lagi na si Marcaban. Siyempre, overtime, kurat-kuratan ang tawagan. Sulod lagi si Marcaban. Bago to sa Abdullah. Last 2 minutes mga ka-Asenso. Sa Abdullah, heavy traffic and is fouled. Nanalay pa. Samad pa imong tino. Sige, shout out na lang ko nimo. JRP. Big shout out kay JRP. Ang pinakalami mo luto og sinuglaw nga unsa to? Ilugon? Unsa na? Basta ka na mga tinai. Lami kay na mo himo si Juan JRP. Kung kanay himuong pulutan, di ka mahubog lagi. Kaya di mo po ka mo inom. And Abdullah nailing his second throw. Shout out from Zamboanga City, Aden Pangasinan. Foul called against Mamawi. Oh no, not foul. Out of bounds. 1 minute and 50. Hala kanindot. Tawagan Sur, will they tie the game? Silongan fakes, drives for the tie, can't get it to go. Marcaban, second chance, no good. Agawan ng bola, jump ball, ball goes to Barangay Gatas. Dapat sterilize na sila. Grabe mo daog man, Aimer Marcaban mo daog man. What a nice steal by Abdullah to Marcaban for the tie. Basket and a foul for Marcaban as he ties the game at 80. And now we'll go to the line. We'll take a free throw. We'll try to complete the 3-point play here. Yeah, shout out boss idol sa players sa tawagan number 17, Diwa by Ronsky Asenyero. Shout out ni Vea. Ha? Kakulba ba uy? Kulba? Lingkod-lingkod rakot talis Marcaban skilid. Ya, sulod lagi. Tied at 80, 1 minute and 34 seconds left in the overtime. Marcaban nailing the free throw. Trap defense here for Barangay Tawagan. Sur full court press. Out of bounds for Barangay Tawagan. And a final timeout for Barangay Gatas has been called. Both teams, no timeout left. Both at penalty situation. We still have 1 minute and 34 seconds remaining in the overtime. 1 point lead for Barangay Tawagan Sur. It's a Daog Lumbia Tiguma. Daog ang Barangay Tiguma. Shout out sa Traffic Orange Boys Night Duty Offender Advanced Anniversary Megan Society by Al Sarael. Actually, kulang pa ang player ng Barangay Gato. Oy, shout out Gilbert Ninial. Shout out Papa Gilbert Flores. To Mamawi. Guarded by Silongan. What a nice defense. Mamawi, heavy traffic. No foul call. Jump ball na naman. And the ball will go to Barangay Tawagan Sur. Actually, it was a nice play mga ka-Asenso. No foul is called. Good call here by the referee. Shout out sa number 14 sa Bulawan, Kabunada. Ganina hapit na pilde. Kabunada lagi. Kay og na shot to ni sa Potalyo kaganina. Wala, ilok yun ang Bulawan. May gani, wala. 14 seconds shot clock here. 1 point lead for Tawagan Sur. Bago to Marcaban. Umatake. And it's good for Marcaban. Tawagan now up by 3. Full court press para sa Barangay Tawagan Sur. Now, Tutibudan, crossover, force shot, block by Democrito. What a clean block by Democrito. Traveling violation committed by Sabdullah. Nice defense there. Tibudan was blocked by Democrito. A clean block as he tries to force that shot, that 3-point shot. Busgab, dipinsa, tagagatas. Ang Sabdullah Armalingaw. Actually, travel na si Sabdullah. Oh, gwapong dipinsa ang Barangay Gatas. Tibudan, corner pass para kay Flores. Blocked by Sabdullah. Out of bounds. Sabdullah, nice anticipation for the 3-point shot ni Flores. 5 seconds shot clock. Flores to Tibudan for 3. No good. Patay ang Butiki. Ayun, fourth personal foul si jersey number 6 of Barangay Gatas. Uy, high Tawagan from Bulacan by Sean Coliano. Sean Coliano. Awadyo ko kabalo kay Sen daw gapon dol kay busy ko na namugas ko gapon. Silongan! Yes sir. Huwag yun na taging chance. Kitagaan og chance sir. Ka-overtime manggani. Second throw by Silongan. Tawagan up by 4. 52 seconds left. Lain na po daning Facebook ako ano o caption oy. Sabdullah, nice feed to Marcaban. All the way! And Tawagan Sur gaining momentum in the final seconds of this quarter. Another steal for Silongan. Hangs in the air. Patay Butiki gets his own rebound. Time winding down. Nice pass. Reverse layup para kay Bago. Ayun. 8-0 run for Barangay Tawagan Sur as they win this ball game. Wala na. And congratulations to Barangay Tawagan Sur for turning the tables. 80-88. Pulbaan ang Barangay Tawagan Sur. This has been your commentator, Gab. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. Kuratan ang Tawagan. Kurat-kuratan.